Hi mathematicians, today we are going to be doing lesson 5 of hands-on equations, which is going to be introducing us to using subtraction. So again, you'll need your 8 pawns or pieces that you're using for your variables. You also need number cubes 0 through 10. Let's go ahead and get our scale out. Let's take a look at our first one. So again, we're going to set up this equation. We're going to start with 5x's. We are going to subtract 3x's, so we're going to remove them. And then we're going to add a value of 2. Equal sign tells us to go to the right-hand side of the equation. So we are going to place an x and a 5. Now we are ready to start simplifying. So remember our legal move, as long as we remove the same value at the same time from both sides of the equations, our equation will stay balanced. So we're going to simultaneously remove a pawn from both sides. And now we're going to simultaneously remove the value of 2. I take 2 from this side, means I'm also going to take 2 from this side, so 5 minus 2 would be 3. And we are left with our answer. X equals 3. Remember, you're going to set up the equation back in its original form to check it. So we're going to add 5. Then we're going to subtract 3 plus 2 and x plus 5. Okay, let's check our value of 3. So we have 3, 6, 8, and we have 3 plus 5, which equals 8. So our check is 8 equals 8. Okay, let's try another one. Go ahead and clear your balance. Here's our next equation to try. Okay. All right, starting with 2 x's. And we're going to add another x, and then we're going to subtract an x, and then we're going to have a value of 1. And on the other side, we're going to have x equals 9. Okay, thinking of our legal move of removing the same values simultaneously, the equation will still be balanced. We're going to go ahead and simplify our equation. So we're going to remove a pawn simultaneously, and then we're going to remove the value of 1 from both sides. So 9 minus 1 would be 8. And so we're left with our answer. X equals 8. Most importantly is to set up the problem. 2x plus x minus x plus 1 and x plus 9. Okay, go back and check 8. So we have 8 times 2, or 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, and 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 equals 17. All right, let's try one more, and then you'll be ready to try some on your own. So again, clear your balance, and go ahead and start setting up the next equation. We have 4, so the value of 4 plus 3x's minus 2x's plus 1x equals x plus 5. We're going to go ahead and think about our legal move of removing something simultaneously. We'll still keep our equation balanced. So let's go ahead and simplify by removing one pawn from both sides using both your hands, and then removing some values. So we can remove 4 from this side, and we can also remove 4 from this side. 4 minus 4 would leave us with 0, and 5 minus 4 would leave us with 1. And so x equals 1. Go ahead and set the equation back up. So we have 4 plus 3x minus 2x plus an x equals x plus 5. Let's go back and check. So we have 4, 5, 6, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So our check is 6 equals 6. All right, mathematicians, you are ready to try some on your own.